The International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent and the Tata Institute of Social Sciences have agreed and developed a one-year certificate program in disaster management. This particular program deals with various aspects of disaster preparedness and how response can be undertaken in the context of disaster. This program is built on decades of experience of IFRC and decades of experience of TISS in addressing disasters, both at the level of prevention and at the level of response. The idea that we need a large number of professionals to be able to work in the area of disaster preparedness and response, we have created this program. This is being offered online in the sense that all course materials are available in online mode, where the learning is going to be negotiated by a team of experts for each of the subjects. Broadly, what happens is that disaster workers are required at the micro level, that is, in the context of India, at the panchayat level, in other countries at local communes. And disaster workers are also needed in urban metropolitan areas where they can work with local panchayats and municipal corporations. They can be employed on a full-time basis or they can be employed as a part-time basis. But this is good for any citizen to learn, because what happens is that when a particular knowledge is broad-based at the level of citizenry, then they can better take care of their neighborhood, they can better take care of their city, they can better take care of their surroundings. So it's not only about job, it is also about a country having a large number of professionals who have the scientific knowledge and practical expertise to deal with disasters. So the employment opportunities are immense in the sense that they can work with NGOs, they can work with the government, the disaster management authorities of various governments, and they can also be employed with their neighborhood organizations. So that is how this program is planned. It's not only about job, it is also about a country having a large number of professionals who have the scientific knowledge and practical expertise to deal with disasters. So the employment opportunities are immense in the sense that they can work with NGOs, they can work with the government, the disaster management authorities of various governments, and they can also be employed with their neighborhood organizations. So that is how this program is planned. And this program is useful for the teachers, the nurses, the medical doctors and other professionals. This course also is very useful for young people who would want to do engaged in the disaster preparedness and response. This course is extremely useful for the elected leaders of various locations anywhere in the world, and also to policymakers. So it is not confined to only young people, but it is applicable to people who are in various walks of life. So it is not just one can get employment, but at the same time they are already employed, but with this program then they become far more responsive citizens. We expose them to the cutting edge knowledge and the practice. that's fundamentally because Red Cross and Red Crescent work in almost all parts of the world, and we are bringing in the good practices from various locations. So the professionals who are already engaged in the disaster management, they would immensely benefit by going through this 1-year certificate program, which involves a significant part of field work and hands-on experience in disaster situations as well as in management institutions and authorities.